begin, please like and subscribe to our channel. We are slowly building and would appreciate any support. Please also leave a comment if we missed anything or you have something to add. If fitness, yoga, and meditation are important to you, please subscribe and we will continue to bring you content such as this video. We have some important links in the video description that you may find of interest on these topics. Please also download our free ebook on meditation and yoga. Enjoy.